Hey everyone, it's Brian with Kentucky Typer. I thought it might be fun to do a quick video on what a typical Selectric looks like when it comes into my shop. This Selectric 3 that you see right here is a machine that I purchased for $20, I think, or maybe $25 this past weekend. They had been listed on Craigslist and had been listed as a machine that was in mint condition. And so I thought I'd show you kind of what you get from a machine like that. And I don't think that the owners tried to mislead me. Probably the last time they used a typewriter, it was in mint condition. It was working fine. But as you'll see, when these things sit around for a number of years, not being used, not being maintained, and stored in places that probably aren't great for the machine to begin with, they are far from being in mint condition today. And so I thought I'd show you this guy real quick. He is, like I said, an IBM Selectric 3, and I went ahead and removed the cover from the machine as well as the dust cover so you could see all down inside at the mechanics of the Selectric. And so let's turn it on and kind of see what we get right out of the box here. So let me power it on. And right away, it does power on, but as you can tell, we have some things that are making a lot of racket that shouldn't be, and you can see that right there. If I try to type on the machine, I'm not getting any action at all from the keyboard or the space bar, nothing from the tab key, pretty much not much of anything. And so you can kind of tell what condition the machine's in. Not in very good condition, I would say. Certainly not in mint condition. If we look around a little bit at the machine, you can see it's pretty dusty, pretty dirty. I've seen a lot worse than this one, but it's still far from from being clean and really ready to use. And so if you look there, you can see some of the dirt that's accumulated down there. Take a quick look. Let's take this. Take this guy. Well, yeah, that barely came up. I'll try to take that off. You can take a look here at the carrier. Not real bad, but pretty dirty, all things considered. And of course, you don't have to look around very long till you start finding, things that are down inside the machine. There's a paper clip. I noticed there's one of the levers, I think, that belong over on this side. It's been broken off at some point, and so it was laying in the bottom of the machine. If we tilt it up, let's see if I can do that one-handed. You can take a look at a lot of the foams come apart, degraded in the bottom of the case there. Quite a bit of it stuck on the bottom of the machine as well. Let's move the right light around so maybe we can see a little better. And really, though, I mean, underneath it really doesn't look all that bad. I've seen much, much worse than this. And so, still need some attention, still going to need some good cleaning and good lubrication. But overall, not too bad. Now, what I want to make mention is if you're thinking about buying a Selectric, it's really worth your time to buy these guys from a local repair shop, someone that has had a chance to really clean up the machine, lubricate it appropriately, adjust the different settings on the typewriter so that you get a good experience with it. Because as you see, just buying one off the street isn't going to get you very far in usability right off the bat. So that's the difference between a $20, $25 Craigslist purchase and someone selling a machine, say, for $2.95 or more. It's because of all the time that it takes and expertise to really get the machine working and running well again, like it did the last time that it was used. So hope that helps a little bit. I just thought there's lots of people that like these machines but maybe really don't know kind of what they're getting into if they decide to purchase one. And so I wanted to give you a quick tour, let you know kind of what things look like in a typical situation, and why you need someone that can kind of step in with some expertise to help you get that machine up and running. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.